Ruby equivalent of virtualenv. Is there something similar to the Python utility virtualenv? Basically, it allows you to install Python packages into a sandboxed environment, so easy_install Django doesn't go in your system-wide site packages directory. It would go in the virtualenv created directory. For example, is there something like this for Ruby gems?
RVM works closer to how virtualenv works since it lets you sandbox different Ruby versions in their gems, etc.
Neither Sandbox, RVM, nor Benv manage the versions of your app's gem dependencies. The tool for that is Bundler. Use a gem file as your application's dependency declaration. Use bundle install to install explicit versions of these dependencies into an isolated location. Use bundle exec to run your application.
I'll mention the way I do this with Bundler, which I use with RVM to manage the rubies and a default set of global gems, Bundler to handle project-specific gems. Running this command in the root of a project will install the gems listed from your gem file, put the libs in /vendor, and any executables in /bin, and all requires, if you use bundle console or the bundler requires, will reference these exes and libs.
If you only need to install gems as non-root, try setting the gem_home environment variable. Then just run gem. For example,